I got the gold medal in MSc Botany, so I'm getting 7 gold medals and 2 cash prizes. And yeah, I'm from Mangalore, Karnataka. So I am right now still working in the University of Mysore, but I'm just working on my master's thesis further. But I'm doing that because I want to do PhD next. So I've been writing competitive exams and I've been applying here and abroad, and I hope to be successful somewhere. I want to study at good research. Yes, yes. So especially in the UK. Yeah. MSc because during my bachelor's I did my bachelor's in chemistry, botany, zoology. So basic science. No, in Mangalore University, St. Aloysius College. So at that time I knew I wanted to do something in research, but I didn't know what exactly. But towards the end I thought plant science is what I'm doing now. So botany, I had an interest in that. So I thought doing research in that is something I would like to do. So specifically I want to work in plant pathology. So that's the study of diseases in plants. So that's what my master's thesis was on, and that is what I hope to continue my research in. My dad is retired. He worked for Bharat Petroleum. He's a government this thing, yeah. And my mom is a homemaker, but she also teaches Urdu and this thing on the side. Yeah, everything was done in Mangalore only. Till my bachelor's I did it till graduation I did it in Mangalore. Yes, I want to do it in research.